Planning a 10-day international trip? Exciting, right? But before you jet off, there's one important thing to get right: packing. It can be stressful trying to figure out what to bring and what to leave behind. Don't worry, we're going to make it super simple. In this video, you'll learn exactly how to pack smart and make sure you have everything you need in your carry-on. Hit the subscribe button, press the bell icon, and let's get you ready for takeoff. Number 1. Start with the basics. Carry-on travel means cutting out the fluff. And if you really want to do it, you need to make a packing list of everything you need. Every airline is a little different, and if you've got a connecting flight through a budget carrier, their rules usually win. You don't want to be forced to check your bag at the gate just because it's half an inch too big. Also, be strategic with your item. This is extra space you should take advantage of. A backpack or a tote that fits under the seat can carry your essentials like tech, documents, and a small pouch for toiletries. Speaking of essentials, keep your medications, chargers, especially power banks, and valuables in your item. Airlines don't allow lithium batteries in checked bags anyway, and you don't want to dig through your carry-on mid-flight for that headache pill. And one more thing, research the medication rules of the country you're visiting. Some everyday meds can be banned abroad. Always carry prescriptions in their original bottles, and if possible, bring a doctor's note for peace of mind at customs. Number 2. Outfits. Packing clothes for 10 days sounds like you need a mini wardrobe, but trust me, you don't. The trick is to pack versatile mix and match pieces. Think of your suitcase like a tiny wardrobe capsule: solid colors, pieces that go together, and outfits that can be dressed up or down. Shoes. Try to limit yourself to one pair only. Shoes take up the most space and weigh a ton, so pick wisely. Maybe one comfortable pair for walking around, which you will be wearing at that time, and one that's a bit dressier in your carry-on. Sometimes people hate the idea of re-wearing clothes, but a little wash in the hotel sink or using laundry packs can save you tons of space. Plus, it's kind of like giving your outfits a second date, less wasteful and more fun. Number 3. Survival kit. Now for the grown-up stuff, your travel documents. Keep your passport, boarding pass, itinerary, hotel info, and emergency contacts all in one safe, easy-to-access pouch. For bonus organization points, snap a photo of your passport's inside cover. If it goes missing, this small step could save hours at the embassy. If you're bringing a CPAP machine, the good news is it doesn't count as a carry-on in most cases. Just make sure it's packed in its bag and easy to unzip for airport screening. Oh, and those anti-theft crossbody bags? A godsend. They keep your money, ID, and phone secure and easy to reach, especially in crowded places. Just make sure they fit inside your item during flights, since overhead bin space is a war zone these days. Number 4. Master the compression cube magic. Compression cubes are a game changer, no doubt. They help you organize your clothes, keep things neat, and yes, compress your clothes to save precious space. It's like a vacuum for your suitcase without the scary suction sounds. If you're worried about weight limits, do a quick weigh-in of your outfits before packing. Take out any single-use or just-in-case items and swap them for multi-use clothes. The cubes don't add weight, they just make your packing feel like a professional Tetris game. Plus, when you arrive, unpacking is a breeze. You just pull out the cubes and voila! Your outfits are right there, ready to go. No more digging through a black hole of wrinkled laundry at the bottom of your bag. Number 5. Smart accessories and gadgets. Packing accessories can feel like an afterthought, but these small items can make or break your trip comfort. Bring an anti-theft crossbody bag with slash-resistant straps to keep your valuables safe without looking like you're carrying Fort Knox. Also, don't forget your power adapters. Different countries, different plugs. This is where a little prep pays off. Bring a few extra adapters because hotel outlets tend to be in short supply, and everyone wants to charge their phone, camera, or that fancy travel gadget. If rain is likely, a lightweight rain jacket with a detachable hood is a great idea. You can fold it neatly or even wear it on the plane to save space. Now, if you're still staring at your carry-on and wondering how a 10-day trip turned into a monster, just take a deep breath and follow these steps. If you are not sure about your medicines, then go and check out my video on how to pack your medications when traveling. Just click over and give it a watch. Hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more updates. Until next time, travel smart, earn more, and live free.